into the broken hearted. Hello, welcome. We are gonna make some brownies for Lola Bing. Oh, and just to let you know, we already put some ingredients in. We got the brownie mix. We got the oil. We got the mixing thing. The mixer. It's my first time making brownies. P.S. And we put on the egg.
Oh, that smells good. Alright, this is our brownie so far.
Time to make.
Now we're gonna put the mix into the pan, and then we're gonna put the pan into the oven.
Yeah.
And Mom's gonna help us stir a little.
It smells so chocolatey right now.
Alright, now we got the pan sprayed.
And then we're about to pour it into the tray. Ooh, this is the first time on my life.
Ooh,
Looks like chocolate, but it's supposed to be a chocolate brownie. It looks so awesome right now. And that thing is tasty.
I think that's it. Alright, here's the brownie mix. We're gonna follow the instructions. And now we're gonna put it into the oven for 350 Fahrenheit. Alright, we're gonna be putting. Alright, we're gonna wait for it to cool off.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha!
Happy birthday.